L'année est 1989. Le monde de la boxe retient à nouveau son souffle. Mike Tyson, le champion incontesté des poids lourds, règne d'une main de fer. À seulement 22 ans, il a unifié les ceintures WBC, WBA et IBF, écrasant tous ceux qui ont osé le défier. Son nom n'impose plus seulement le respect, il inspire la peur. Mais cette fois, en face de lui, il n'y a pas un inconnu. Il y a un homme qui porte la fierté de toute une nation. Frank Bruno, le géant britannique, fort comme peu d'hommes, avec un physique imposant et une droite capable de tout changer en une seconde. Alors que Tyson incarne le chaos et la destruction, Bruno incarne la discipline, la force brute et la détermination. Deux styles, deux mentalités. Un seul repartira avec les ceintures. Avant le combat, Frank Bruno a lancé une déclaration audacieuse. Il a promis de mettre Mike Tyson KO et de prouver que le champion n'était pas invincible, mais ce qui allait se passer cette nuit-là allait surprendre tout le monde. 25 février 1989, Convention Hall, Atlantic City. Les lumières s'allument, le champion contre le challenger. 3 ceintures en jeu, il est temps de se battre. Dès la première seconde, Bruno annonce son plan. Utiliser sa taille, son jab puissant et maintenir Tyson à distance. Mike, comme toujours, avance sans peur, bougeant la tête et cherchant la courte distance. Bruno touche avec un jab solide, suivi d'une droite qui impacte avec force. Le public réagit. Tyson encaisse, mais ne recule pas. Il termine le round en mettant la pression, même si Bruno reste solide.
Bruno's clear, but he knows the power of Mike Tyson. Bruno has all the pride of England standing for him. He can tag to get Bruno. Bruno has come to try and mix it up. He's hanging on shot. Bruno ties him up inside. Number one. Well, all the questions about distractions have been answered as Tyson attacks. Hey, I don't think points will mean anything by the time this fight's over. Clearly across the ring. He knows he's in with a bull. Tyson gets nailed with a left hook. Tyson looks wobbly as he attacks Bruno. But he was caught by a shot by Frank Bruno. Tyson trying to have that fiery look in his eyes right now as he lunges for the challenger. And there's the right hand that caught Tyson and Buck's legs. And then it's up in the top of the back of the head, but he's never stopped swinging. There's the short right that has him in trouble. Oh, he was wobbled, and then another right hand kind of up over the shoulder. This now, and let's see just how it happened. There was a short...
Tyson accélère. Il commence à esquiver le jab de Bruno avec son mouvement de buste caractéristique. Bruno essaie de le garder à distance, mais Mike trouve le chemin vers l'intérieur. Un crochet au corps secoue le Britannique. Bruno répond avec une droite puissante qui fait vibrer la salle. Pendant un instant, Tyson semble la sentir, mais le champion réagit avec fureur et termine le round en dominant.
Tyson continues to come in. Exciting. It's hard to do that, but a special hello to Chris Myram, David Parks, our producer, his sister, who's also watching in the round, and the chant from the better than 5,000. Think, well, that's what always going to happen. But then Bruno suddenly caught Mike Tyson. Right now, the superior height in the head of Mike Tyson. Left hook to the body. Tyson attacks with a left of his own. Tyson misses Wyatt. The right hand catches Bruno. Left hook. Bruno looks ready to go. Now is when he's going to hang on. Right now, Bruno trying to keep him off. And the bell. In fact, for the betting public, round 3 is an important round. A fight that we expected so far.
La tension monte. Bruno place l'un des meilleurs coups du combat. Une droite nette qui fait vaciller Tyson. Le public se lève. Pour la première fois, le champion semble vulnérable, mais Tyson réagit comme un prédateur. Il se jette en avant, réduit la distance et enchaîne des combinaisons brutales au corps et à la tête. Bruno recule, subissant la pression.
Bruno is just kind of a stand-up guy, almost tailor-made for Tyson. That's the idea that it's a question of time before Mike catches him. Has some real good hooks to win. Has got to let that right hand fly. There's a little bit more gain than side is going to get Tyson both hands free.
Tyson a fait les ajustements. Il commence à couper le ring avec précision. Le jab de Bruno perd en efficacité. Chaque tentative de garder la distance est neutralisée par le mouvement de tête de Mike. Un crochet au corps s'enfonce avec violence. Bruno le ressent. Une droite au visage le fait reculer. Pour la première fois, le Britannique semble débordé. Il tente de s'accrocher. Il tente de casser le rythme. Mais Tyson ne s'arrête pas. Les dégâts commencent à s'accumuler. Le combat bascule.
Tyson just really pours in like a madman almost. Bruno is caught by a right hand and a left hook. To throw that right hand more and try to catch Tyson with a left hook. Vicious body shot. The light, ooh, another right hand gets through. The style that Bruno is fighting here. Uppercut comes that time.
Tyson sort pour finir le combat. Il avance sans pause, sans mesurer, sans laisser d'espace. Un crochet au corps. Bruno se replie, une droite nette, sa tête part en arrière. Tyson accélère. Il le pousse contre les cordes et déchaîne une tempête de coups. Bruno tente de se couvrir, mais il ne répond plus clairement. Les coups continuent de passer. Encore et encore, le public est debout. L'arbitre s'approche, observe une seconde et arrête le combat.
Tyson attacks immediately. Last time out against Bugner, Bruno had to go 8 rounds, attempting to make a better fight of this than most people thought possible. You want to see him do well against the champion. He throw about 8,000 or 9,000 in there, no doubt. Bruno was caught that time, and Tyson knows it. Tyson trying to attack now to finish him off the ropes. Scores with the uppercut, lands a big right hand. Bruno's in big trouble now. He's ready to go. He hits him with a right hand. He's still in big trouble. The uppercut catches him. The right hand catches him. A fighter cannot be saved by the bell as the big right hand lands. Tyson knows he's got him in big trouble. If he doesn't answer it, it's all over. Michael Tyson wins on a 5th round TKO. It came at 2:55. That's unofficial. We'll get that officially. It came at 2:55 of the 5th round. Mike Tyson punished and pummeling Frank Bruno. Thank you. Bruno did the best he could do to make a go of it. But there was no question, Mike Tyson, a superior.
Tyson, a 5th round stoppage winner, to defend his undisputed heavyweight championship of the world, still 22 years of age. And Frank Bruno, well, that's his world title dream shattered in 5 rounds.
Outstanding. The whole thing was well done. Thank you. Thank you.
Well, the judges weren't needed. They were Jerry Roth, Omar Minton and Rodolfo Maldonado, and they were not required at all as referee Richard Steele died between...